Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your tax account on the ZUG website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in steuern.zg.ch. Then press enter and you will be taken into the official Canton ZUG tax website. Now, right from the homepage, you can click on the login button at the top right corner to end up within the login portal. You will then be asked to enter your user ID and your password. Type in the user ID that you set up while registering for your account and then enter your account password within the password box. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged in to your Canton ZUG tax account right away. In case you have forgotten your user ID or your password, you will find the forgot password and the forgot user ID option at the right side underneath help. You can click on these and you will be allowed to reset your password. And there you have it. That is how you can log in to your Canton ZUG tax account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.